Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, new upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite is here with a new leaked render and some information. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite soon in a three variant: Wi-Fi only, the 4G, and the 5G variant. Last month, leaked render of the 5G model show us the Tab S7 Light of the Samsung in a black color. Now a few more images have surfaced which show the tablet in a pink shade along with the S Pen stylus and a back cover in a matching color. The render revealed that the book cover will have a two S Pen holders on the inside and the other curved near the dual camera unit. You can also notice that the power key and a volume rocker on the right side frame of the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite. 5G with the no USB-C port and a speaker located at the bottom. There is also a selfie camera on the right bezels. The Galaxy Tab S7 Lite 5G won't come in a black and a pink color. Only one of the leaked picture tell us the tablet will have a total of 5 color option, as you can see on your screen. While there is no word from Samsung about the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite yet, reliable tip star Ronald Quindet claims there is no such thing as the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite. The tablet will be actually called the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Lite. We don't know Samsung is rotationally behind putting plus and light in the same name, but considering the Korean conglomerate's past record of naming its device, we are not surprised. So now another leak is coming with it's unclear whether the 5G model will also ship with a 15-watt charger or come with a bundled adapter that will go faster. So as you can see, this is some a note is coming out about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. So this is the Geekbench report as well, but let's see in upcoming days. It will come with a Snapdragon 750G SoC, Android 11 4GB RAMs, and other options. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.